Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by building the solution so runtime symbols are available. Make sure PDBs generate. Then set breakpoints where you want execution to pause, click the gutter, or press F9. Once done, choose Start Debugging with F5 to run under the debugger, or Control plus F5 to run without attaching. Use the Startup Project selector if multiple projects exist. This ensures code, symbols, and the correct entry project align so the debugger stops where you expect, and you can inspect state immediately. Once paused, you inspect variables in locals, autos, and add expressions to watch to track values over time. Use step into F11 to enter functions, step over F10 to run a line without entering calls, and step out Shift plus F11 to finish the current function. This controls flow precisely. Meanwhile, consult the call stack to see how you arrived here and switch threads if needed. Also, configure exception settings so the debugger breaks on thrown exceptions. This helps you catch problems early and understand why they. To finish, leverage Immediate and Debug console to run expressions or set state without rebuilding. It's fast for experiments. If you need to debug an external app, use Attach to Process and pick the running process. Use Edit and continue to make small fixes while paused and continue without restarting. If breakpoints don't hit, make sure symbol paths are correct, rebuild, and check the Just My Code and optimization settings. One key troubleshooting tip: clear and regenerate PDBs. Mismatched symbols are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.